National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Limestone County in north-central Alabama until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Athens, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Athens, Capshaw, Cartwright, French Mill, Cairo, and Ripley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central, northeastern, and northwestern Alabama and Middle Tennessee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Limestone, Alabama,